Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all my students of Green Valley Schools Metric and CBSE. Today this video is regarding the key answers for science worksheets which we have given for you to write at your homes and submit. I'm very happy that all of you are submitting the worksheets to us. These are the key answers for the worksheet classes 3 to 5. So let us start the key answers for the worksheet. The first question which is given in your worksheet is plants grow in soil. Plants grow in soil or in, the options are A. Water, B. Sky, C. Clouds, D. None of the above. The correct answer for this is water. Plants grow in soil or in water, whereas the wrong answers are sky and clouds. Clouds nothing but it brings us rain. Sky because sun gives light all over everywhere the sunlight is there and it penetrates directly from sun to the earth. Because we have sky as intermediate, it emits a blue color. That's why we see the sky in blue. So the correct answer for question number 1 is water. The second question is plant gets carbon dioxide from either soil, leaves, sand or air. Plant gets carbon dioxide or exchange of gases takes place through leaves. That is through small pores called as stomata. The correct answer for second one is leaves. Soil actually provides lots of nutrition to the plant. Sand provides mechanical strength to the soil. It helps against soil erosion and runoff of the soil. Air, obviously it contains a lot of gases. Nitrogen in nearly 79%, oxygen in nearly 21%, 0.4% argon, carbon dioxide and remaining other gases. So the correct answer for second question is leaves. Come to third one. Roses are shrubs, grapes are climbers. Grapes are called as climbers. Climbers are those plants which grow upwards, overhanging growth. It will be hanging. Whereas for shrubs you can give the example of roses. For plants and shrubs you can give example roses, tulsi plant. For trees you can give example as mango and neem trees. The correct answer for third question is climbers. Name the trees or plants which give us perfume. Options are jasmine, brinjal, orange, neem. The correct answer is jasmine. Brinjal is a vegetable, also called as king of vegetables. Orange is abundance in vitamin C's. Neem has a lot of antibacterial properties. So the correct answer for fourth question is jasmine. The fifth question is which part of sugarcane plant produces juice? The sugarcane plant produces juice part is stem. Stem is the part where sugarcane plant produces juice. The advantages of sugarcane is it reduces the body weight. Secondly, it also dissolves the bad cholesterol present in the body. So coming to the sixth question, what does fruit contains? A fruit contains seed. The correct answer is seed for sixth one. The seventh question asks potato is a modified form of. Potato is a modified form of. The options are stem, root, fruit and leaf. The correct answer is stem and it is called as tuber. The eighth one, which plant can grow at very low water and no water for longer period of time? The options were rose, mango, tulsi and cactus. The correct answer is cactus because it has a modified stem in form of leaves. Apart from the water what it takes inside the stem which is resembling the leaves, it stores inside for nearly 2 years. The water is stored in cactus plant for nearly 2 years. There is no chance of transpiration at all because it doesn't have leaves. Hence the correct answer is cactus. The ninth question is wheat is a. Options are tree, shrubs, climber, grass. Actually wheat is a grass. Wheat is a grass. widely cultivated for its seeds. It is a cereal grain. The correct answer is grass. The last question says stomata, that is 10th one. Stomata is present on. Where does this stomata present? The options we are given is leaves, roots, stem, none of the above. The correct answer for stomata is leaves, where actually opening and closing of stomata takes place, where gaseous exchange takes place. Whatever carbon dioxide we are giving out is accepted through stomata in the leaves, and whatever oxygen is given outside from plant or leaves is through stomata. So stomata is a very important part of plant which helps for photosynthesis and exchange of gases. It is present on upper side or lower side of the leaves. The correct answer is leaves. Thank you for watching this video, students. Please correct your worksheets properly. Coming week will give you another worksheets for you. We'll update that to you very soon. Thank you. Have a great day.